Hello guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Hamad Tariq. In this video, I am going to tell you about Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, camera, battery and charging features. So keep watching my video until end. Prominent leaksters s22 has been on a Samsung Galaxy S22 spare in the past week, revealing chipsets and camera details as well as charging speeds for the S22 Ultra. The latest leaks surround the smaller Galaxy S22, which is reported to feature a 3700 mAh battery with 25-watt charging spot. The interesting bit here is that the S22 Plus and S22 Ultra will do 45-watt charging, which is quite the disparity between the three models. You will still have to shell out more money for the actual charger, as Samsung will most likely not providing one in the box. Elsewhere, the S22 is said to be smaller in length, width and thickness than the recently announced iPhone 13, which already measures at a compact 146.7 x 71.5 x 7.7 mm. There have been a lot of conflicting rumors about the camera setup on the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Some say that the phone will resume the S21 Ultra setup. Others claim that it will be equipped with Samsung's new 200MP sensors. Leaksters s22 has chimed in and leans mostly towards the first option, but with improved telephone cameras. According to the CAT, the S22 Ultra Wide features two zoom lenses with a variable focal length. The first starts at 3x, the second at 10x. There are the same magnification numbers and the current Ultra, though the new lenses should be able to zoom in further. Specifics about focal length and unknown at the moment. And there will be a small upgrade to the sensors used in two telecameras. The new model will use two 12MP sensors with 1.22 micrometers pixels. According to the leaksters, compared to two 10MP sensors with the same pixel size, the new sensors will be slightly larger. Both cameras will feature optical image stabilization. The main camera will be the same, save for few tweaks. It will feature a 108MP sensor with 0.8 micrometer pixels. It is not clear if this will be the same HM3 sensors used in the current Ultra on a new generation. It is said to bring an improved OIS. However, the ultra-wide angle camera will reportedly stick to a 12MP sensor, but will gain OIS. Electronic stabilization tends to do a good enough job on ultra-wides, but this may enable interesting new tricks. Finally, the selfie camera. It will still have a 40MP sensor, just like the current Ultra, and it will almost certainly not be the under-display kind. Samsung first UD camera has only 4MP resolutions, and there is under a year of development time. Samsung will improve the lens, however, so it is not without upgrades. The Samsung Galaxy S22 series is expected to January 2022. We should get more reliable information as the launch draws near. The Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus may be looking at major camera upgrades with a 50MP main cam and a proper telephone lens, possibly the same 3x variable focal length module as the S22 Ultra. So please subscribe my channel and also like, comment and share with friends. Meet you in next video.